Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Ant and the Grasshopper. One summer day, in a green field, a grasshopper was hopping about happily. He chirped and sang to his heart's content. An ant passed by, carrying a heavy ear of corn with great effort. He was taking it back to his nest. "Why don't you stop and chat with me?" said the grasshopper. "Instead of working so hard, you can enjoy the day." "I am busy storing food for the winter," replied the ant. "You should do the same." "Why worry about winter?" laughed the grasshopper. "There is plenty of food right now." The ant did not answer. He continued his way and kept working hard. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food to eat. He was cold and very hungry. Meanwhile, he saw the ants sharing the corn and grain they had stored during the summer. Then the grasshopper realized that it is wise to prepare for times of need. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did the grasshopper like to do? A. Carry food. B. Sleep all day. C. sing, and hop. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, sing and hop. Question number 2. What was the ant carrying? A. A leaf. B. An ear of corn. C. A flower. What is the correct answer? Correct. The correct answer is B. An ear of corn. Question number 3. Why was the ant working hard? A. To store food for winter. B. To play later. C. To help the grasshopper sing. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. To store food for winter. Question number 4. What happened to the grasshopper in winter? A. He had plenty of food. B. He went to another field. C. He became hungry. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. He became hungry. Question number 5. What is the lesson of the story? A. Prepare for the future. B. Always sing and play. C. Work is not important. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Prepare for the future. The wolf and the lamb. One day, a lamb was grazing peacefully with a flock of sheep. She found some sweet grass near the edge of the field. Little by little, she wandered farther away from the others. The lamb was enjoying herself so much that she did not notice a wolf creeping closer. Suddenly, the wolf pounced on her. The lamb quickly begged, "Please, don't eat me yet. My stomach is full of grass. If you wait a little while, I will taste much better." The wolf thought this was a good idea, so he sat down and waited. After some time, the lamb said, "If you let me dance, the grass in my stomach will be digested faster." The wolf agreed once again. While dancing, the lamb thought of another plan. She said, "Please take the bell from my neck and ring it loudly. That way, I can dance even faster." The wolf took the bell and rang it as hard as he could. Soon, the shepherd heard the ringing bell and sent his dogs to look for the missing lamb. The barking dogs scared the wolf away, and the lamb was saved. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where was the lamb eating grass? A. In the river. B. In the forest. C. In the field. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. In the field. Question number 2. Who came near the lamb? A. A dog. B. A wolf. C. A shepherd. What is the correct answer? Correct. The correct answer is B. A wolf. Question number 3. What did the lamb ask the wolf to do first? A. Wait before eating her. B. Let her run. C. Take off the bell. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Wait before eating her. Question number 4. What did the wolf ring? A. A horn. B. A drum. C. A bell. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. A bell. Question number 5. Who scared the wolf away? A. The shepherd's dog. B. The sheep. C. The lamb. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. The shepherd's dog. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.